Hey, how's it? Today I'll be opening Topps Gypsy Queen Blaster Box from Target. 7 packs plus 1 bonus pack of exclusive parallel cards. I did a shout out yesterday. I forgot to include Christopher Valentin. He commented on my Heritage breaks and gave me a lot of info on short prints and what to look for. So thank you, Christopher. Mahalos. And let's open this baby. So I heard good stuff about these cards. Man, it looked better than that Donruss. That Donruss, I don't know. It was just like the top series one. But anyway, here we go. Pack 1. It's a nice card. Cool. All right. Smokes. Beckham, Yelich. Velasco, Crawford. It's pretty thick, a thick card too, yeah. Yeah, thicker than normal. Swartzer, Paxton, another Shoop, I think. Seager, Arenado, and Carpenter. And I guess I've seen other videos that some of them don't have that team name right there. It's already Kane, and also there's like, instead of the GQ, there's like a picture of the GQ. Right? Oh, this is the tarot cards, right? Ace of Swords, Giancarlo Stanton. Yep, nice. Correa and Souza Jr. Segura, Reese, nice. Cat Richards, Sanchez, Ichiro, J.A. Happ. Tap, Nelson Cruz, Justin Turner, Clint Frazier, Cabrera, Simmons, and Harvey. Jason Vargas, Porcello, Christian Arroyo. Oh, this is an on-card autograph. Oh, sweet. Wow, nice. And a backward Longoria, numbered 250. This is the Indigo, right? Oh yeah, they were talking about the Indigo. Nice. Auto and the Indigo, the Polanco and Velasquez. Ah, sweet. All right, last regular packs. Sonny Gray, Beltre, Broxton. Oh, it's the mini fortune teller of Frazier. Oh, pretty good. Nice. Alex Gordon and Morrison. And let's go to this parallel cards. That's nice cards. Braun, Chris Davis, Carlos Santana, Alfaro, and John Lester. All right. Yeah, this was unexpected. Christian Arroyo. It's pretty good. Nice. Wow. Okay, so definitely I'll be looking for more blasters of these. Gypsy Queen. But I won't go too overboard because the Bowman's coming pretty soon. Check out that Bowman. But right on. Hey, 1999 Target. Thanks for watching and aloha.